करते हैं। मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव विदेश दौरे पर हैं। 7 दिन का उनका ये विदेश दौरा है और ये विदेश दौरा मध्य प्रदेश में निवेश को आमंत्रित करने को लेकर है। दुबई पहुंचे हुए मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव और यहां पर उद्योगपतियों से उनकी मुलाकात का क्रम जारी है और निवेश पर बातचीत भी हो रही है। दरअसल यहाँ पर बिजनेस फोरम का आयोजन किया गया है और दुबई से लाइव तस्वीरें इस वक्त आपको
as well the dynamic Indian business community in Dubai. आपकी यह दुबई की यात्रा एक ऐसी संधि का निर्धारण कर रही है जो केवल मध्य में नहीं है अपितु हृदय में है। निश्चित ही I will like to take another 1 minute to introduce the Indian Business and Professional Council, the IBPC Dubai, which has completed 22 years, established in 2003 as a premier platform to promote trade, investments and professional collaboration between India and the UAE. Today, your good initiatives to unlock the opportunities for foreign investments and the NRIs is underscoring the growing synergy between Madhya Pradesh, a powerhouse of opportunities in India, and the UAE, a global hub for trade and innovations. Throughout the program today, we are going to mark the tourism, the industrial development और घोषणाओं की तो मानो बौछारें हो रही हैं। सावन का महीना शुरू हो गया है। आज सावन का पहला सोमवार है और महादेव के पुजारी प्रहरी मोहन जी, जिनके बारे में कृष्ण भी हैं और देव भी हैं, ऐसे मोहन जी का हम भूरिशा अभिनंदन करते हैं, स्वागत करते हैं।
Thank you, Dr. Chaturvedi, for setting the tone for today's discussions with such a thoughtful welcome. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our honor to hear from a leader who continues to support and connect the Indian business community in the UAE with the new avenues for growth and cooperation. Please welcome Mr. Satish Kumar Sivan, Consul General of India in Dubai, to deliver the inaugural address. Sir.
Thank you very much. Honorable Chief Minister, sir, it is a profound honor for all of us to welcome the very dynamic delegation from Madhya Pradesh led by the inspiring Honorable CM. We have Shri Sanjay Dubey, the Additional Chief Secretary, Shri Shiv Shekhar Shukla, the Principal Secretary in charge of Tourism, Shri Raghavendra Singh, Principal Secretary in charge of Industry, Shri Sudhambi Khade, Commissioner, Shri Chandramouli Shukla, the Managing Director of MPIDC, Shri Ilayaraja, Secretary to the CM. A very dynamic, inspired team with whom the consulate has had the privilege to work over the past 15 days to 3 weeks to put together this program, a program which has inspired a lot of reception and confidence and hope for the Indian community in Dubai to look at Madhya Pradesh as a possible investment destination. I think this visit is in line with the overall vibrancy and momentum that we have been witnessing in the UAE-India comprehensive strategic partnership. As all of the distinguished guests here are aware of, India and UAE share a profound and enduring relationship, one that is deeply rooted in prosperous trade and vibrant cultural exchange. This historical bond has evolved today into a dynamic, modern partnership, becoming one of the most consequential bilateral partnerships in the world today. For decades prior to the formation of UAE as a modern nation state, maybe even for centuries, Indian traders were instrumental in establishing key trade routes via the Gulf and especially Dubai. The foundation laid by these early interactions continues to shape the partnership that we see today. And we have one role model who's sitting with us on the stage, whose relationship with Dubai precedes India's partnership with